we are Ganesh participating in this exhibition. We are showcasing Faro Amatec products and our services like Ferro Quantum with LLP. So we have variety of ranges, okay? And we have a laser tracker which range is around 300 meters. So with the help of this laser tracker, we can inspect big size parts. And another one, we have a LPST handheld scanner. With the help of this LPST scanner, we can scan the part up to 15 meters with photogrammetry. There are many applications of Faro LPST. For particular this die and mold, we can scan dies and molds in precisions. Its accuracy is around 20 microns. So with the help of these Ferro products, we are giving services also. So mainly services in 3D scanning, reverse engineering. Visit Hall 3 K45.